Cause South humor if you're on good for about Jamaica.
Yeah, that's what the reaction that most Jamaican gives when someone says anything that critiques Jamaica. My question is though, why don't you have that same reaction when women and children are being murdered in Jamaica? Why don't you have that same reaction when the government are robbing the poor people blind? Why you don't have that same reaction when poor people literally cannot afford education for them children? You get me, I try to say? Nothing is wrong with wanting to defend Jamaica, but at what why you defend? Someone wanna defend. Jamaica is not being run properly. The current Jamaican climate, culture, ideology of the people is wrong. But yet, no nobody say that. When they get up in our arms and ready to fight. But yet when actual horrible things are happening in the country, you know, stand and full in the hand and just type on the internet. Yeah, if you don't see something wrong with that, I don't know. But that's just my thoughts. What are yours?